Hi there, it's Janissa. Welcome back. So happy to have you here again. I have been waking up every day at 6 a.m. and it's just been so good for me. It's been good for my body, for my soul, for everything. So I want to talk you through a bit about my routine today and also go through some really cool items that have made my mornings just so much more pleasant and bearable, especially when you're waking up at 6 a.m. So let's go back to when I woke up this morning and I will talk you through some fun items. So one of the things I love to do in the morning, and actually the way I start off my mornings every single day, is through some prayer and meditation. And what I do is just set some, piano music in the background by using my Sonic's Bluetooth speaker. When I'm not fully wide awake in the mornings, just click 2 buttons and it connects to my phone super easily. It has great sound quality, but it also is wireless. So I can literally take it from, one place to the other, take it to the beach or to the park with me, wherever I go. I love playing music in the mornings during my meditation time with my speaker. So I have to work out in the mornings because if I don't, I will not do it later. Even if I tell myself, oh yeah, I'll do it after work, I will not get my workout in. So I have to do it in the mornings. I got the Obey resistance band. One of them is medium, this one is light, but they came as a pair and they also come with a very convenient carrying case. So I'm gonna start off by using the medium one, which this one has a resistance of 20 pounds. So I'm going to place this. I don't want it too high up on my legs, just right above my knees. This workout is great. It targets your outer thighs and your glutes, so great for summertime. So now I'm moving on to my next workout and I'm going to use the purple resistance band, which is the light one. It has up to 15 pounds of resistance. This one's great because it really kicks it up a notch, and if you want to increase your intensity, just put it right above your ankles. So it doesn't matter what fitness levels you're at, you have the 2 options and to choose the resistance level that works for you. Okay, so now that I'm done with my workout, I need to jump in the shower, but I am going to be using the Way Detox Shampoo and the Scalp Massager. Now, I really like this product because I recently cut my hair all off, and I use a lot of hair products in order for my curls to stay very moisturized and nourished throughout the day. So the Way Detox Shampoo, it really takes out all of the product buildup, cleans out all of the dirt, and the Scalp Massager just nourishes my scalp, and it just feels so good, especially after a good workout. Now I'm so excited to walk you through the last step of my morning routine. And earlier I said that working out was my favorite step, but I think I lied. This is actually my favorite part of the morning. The first thing that I do is use the PMD Beauty Clean, and it really lifts, firms, and tones your skin. So it's like moving all of the impurities out of your pores and really cleansing your skin so that you're just stepping out into your day with beautiful, clean skin. So my next step is to use the Aria Beauty makeup swabs, and I really like these because, for one, there's 0 waste involved with this. Compared to the normal cotton swabs, these have a silicone grade tip, and they're great because you can clean them, reuse them. After I do my lip scrub, I like to do some eye cream and other moisturizers that make me just feel very good and glowy for the day, which leads me to my last product. I love the Sol de Janeiro Glow Motion Kit. So you get both of these, and they're pretty decent sized bottles, but you just apply this on the high parts of your body. So like your shoulders, your collarbone, your décolleté, and then you're ready for some sun and you're gonna be looking fabulous, glowy, and dewy all day, which is exactly what we want in the summertime. But that pretty much sums up my whole skincare routine. So that is all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my morning routine and that you can implement some things from this into your mornings. But make sure you comment below. Let me know what you love about the FabFitFun Summer Box, and I will see you next time. Bye. Getting your body in shape for the summer.
I don't know if I'm helping.
Marty! Okay. Lifting, firming, and toning your scone. Oh my gosh.